Women in Leadership program is a 2-day, very engaging, very active, and very informative program that is constantly in motion. There's different professors and different women giving practical advice over the 2 days. You're never bored. It is packed full of information that we can immediately use.
All of the 4 presenters so far have been wonderful, very engaging, using real life experience to really understand what women are facing in leadership roles, bring in key research that give us some great statistics on what we're up against in business overall, as well as then having exercises that we can actually practice amongst our group of women that we are sitting with to get real life experiences and understand how we should go about it in our business, in the line of business that we're in as well.
My company sent me to this training with the intent of testing it out, seeing if this really is value add for them to send future female employees to as part of our training program. And what I've seen so far and what I've experienced, I wholeheartedly am going to come back with a very emphatic, yes, this should be part of our training curriculum. I think it helps women just see how we are perceived and how we can further move our career along.